So there is no regulatory oversight. It is not that RBI has come out with a regulatory concern, or there is some fraud, or there has been misreporting of funds, or there is a regulatory challenge in terms of the way the business has been run. In this case, Reserve Bank of India has clearly maintained it is based on the interest spread which is being charged by NBFCs, where RBI feels that the interest which is being charged is way above than what the average is. Can that be changed and can that be reversed? Of course it can, which is that you'll have to go easy on lending, you'll have to perhaps reduce the risk what you're doing. I think the attempt here by Reserve Bank of India is very simple, that NBFCs are taking far greater risk than what they should be taking, and if they're taking far greater risk and if they're lending at rates which are much higher than what the average rates are, that means you are lending in categories where the loan recovery could be a challenge, to put it very simple. Because Manappuram gets lion's share of its total net income and profits from Asirvad, the impact today could be a meaningful one, and it is also an F&O, and looking at the market condition, the reaction could run into double digits. Now, what would be the step two? The step two is that if the rates have to come down, and it is not kitchen cleaning that, okay, there was a problem with this particular aspect, you fix this business and then you will get a clean sheet for RBI. Here RBI is saying is that the way you've been lending in terms of enjoying a higher spread, that needs to come down. So the future growth and future profitability for Asirvad comes down, and even if the stock falls, I don't think there is going to be a very strong contra buying which could come back in a hurry, because if one of your businesses in a sense has to adopt to the new normal as per the RBI diktat, that will have impact on earnings and EPS, and which in a sense could have pressure on the stock.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.